You must have been seeing a lot of videos where a lot of YouTubers are like, if you want to start a free YouTube channel, okay, you can start uploading free audio or free resource tools, free motivations, and you don't know where to get those free audios from. And let's say you are kind of busy person, and all these books like The Art of War, you don't know where to, you cannot just sit down and read it. You just need something like an audio book or something. Don't worry, I got you. Now I'm going to show you a website where you can get all these motivational videos or any material totally free of charge. All right, they are all loyalty free. So before we go on, just be sure you subscribe to this channel. If this is the first time you are coming across this channel, subscribe and like this video. So without wasting much time, let's just dive right into the video and go to your browser, like say your Google Chrome or whatever browser you have there, and go to this site archive dot, let me paste it here, I already have it copied. Go to archive.org and then enter, and then this is the website where you can get any audiobook or any, you can even get videos, audiobook, motivational speech, all for free. And if you don't know what you're, if you can't find what you're looking for on the screen, you can just type it and then you find it immediately. So you can see some resources right here. So for me, let me just click on video. All right, let me click on okay, no, let me click on audio, because let's say I'm looking for audiobook. All right, and you can see here there are a lot of books here that are already translated into audios, like The Art of War. You can see it. I'm having it downloaded here. All right, we have other ones here, LibriVox, and then there are so many, 𝐒𝐜𝐜𝐴𝑠𝑍𝑐𝐜, Genesis. So there are so many audiobooks that you can download from here. Okay, let me check for, let's try and search for something. Let's search for, okay, you can actually search by views though, or by title. Okay, let me click on this sort button and see. Alright, so I just sorted from the lowest to the highest right here. So let me sort the back. Alright, so here, if you can't find what you're looking for, you can just search it. Let's say I'm searching for let me just type in a random title, Rich Dad and Poor Dad. Let me search that. Alright, my network is a bit slow, so you're just gonna have to be patient with this. Okay, yeah, see it all right here. See Rich Dad and Poor Dad for kids. Alright, and then Rich Dad and Poor Dad here, another one here. So there are so many other transcription, Rich Dad and Poor Dad for teens, Rich Dad success stories. So you could literally see the books right here, and you could download it and then have it for yourself. Alright, so this one is in another translation. Okay, so let's say you're going for a motivation, you can actually search for motivational videos and then you find it there, podcasts, or let's say you're going for videos, you could also search videos and then find different videos. Let's say I'm searching for video movie set, you could actually see different kind of videos, movie set, or let's say let me say I'm looking for movie, click on movie set, and then I'll see different categories of movie set, like the sci-fi or horror movie, or maybe the movie trailers, silent films, features film, format films, comedy films, Pix Fixer, features film collection, and so many others that you can actually download from here. So, and funny enough, all these tools are totally free of charge. They are free of charge. They don't have anything attached to them. So those persons that want to start a YouTube channel and they need a motivational video, all you just need to do is just come here, type motivational audio. All right, motivational audio. Okay, motivational messages. You can see that one at the top. Selling at March 1, Steven. Okay, so there are so many right there. So let me click on this particular one. All right, when you click on it, you can find the download options everywhere. So guys, you see I don't want to download this. So if you want to download the image, just click on image or the torrent. I have nothing to do with this one. So if you click on this one, you can be able to download it. And then no, I'm not talking to you. You can be able to download the audio, but right now I'm not downloading it, and because I don't have use for it, so I'm going to just discard it. And you can view all files to be downloaded right here. Alright, so through this website, whatever resources you're looking for, you can get them all downloaded for free, and they are loyalty free. So let me know if you like this video. Please subscribe and like this video. See you in my next video.